for this limit right here, let's simplify the expression inside of the parentheses. That is 1 over square root of x plus 1 minus square root x plus 1 over square root x plus 1. So if we combine this together, that's going to be 1 minus the square root of x plus 1 over square root x plus 1, right? So this limit is equal to limit as x approaches 0, x times denominator, square root of x plus 1. So we have x times the square root of x plus 1. Numerator is 1 minus square root x plus 1, right? Now if we substitute 0 for x, then that's going to be 0 over 0, right? So we're going to have to rationalize this expression by multiplying 1 plus square root of x plus 1, 1 plus square root of x plus 1. So far so good? So this is equal to limit as x approaches 0. Numerator is 1 minus square of square root x plus 1, that's x plus 1, right? Denominator, we have x square root x plus 1 times 1 plus square root x plus 1, right? Now if we simplify the numerator, that's just equal to negative x, right? So all of this thing is equal to negative x. So we can eliminate x, then substitute 0 for x. Then this limit is equal to negative 1 over 0. Square root of 0 plus 1, that's 1, times 1 plus 1, right? So that is equal to negative 1 over 2. This is our answer, right?